On a typical day in any organization, an employee has to deal with many applications, because of which it becomes very difficult for the employee to figure out what are the tasks that he wants to do today, what is the most important task to be completed, what details are needed to complete this task, and by when. This is definitely not how I want to spend my day. Not only do I miss a comprehensive view of all the tasks that I need to do or the ways through which I can collaborate to get my tasks done, I'm fatigued and frustrated. Are you also struggling the same way as I am? What if I could help? What if I could give you a tool that can connect, collate, and consolidate and give me a comprehensive view of all the tasks that I need to do to get my work done today? I present to you Intelligent Task Management. With this, work gets done.